Excel offers very powerful date filtering options. For example, if I press the key combination Ctrl-Shift-L to turn on my filter, and then I hit the down triangle to the right of deadline. Because deadline is a date, you are shown the years. The years can be expanded with the use of a plus. If I click the plus, I've expanded 2012. It then shows me the months that have been entered for 2012. If I hit the plus in front of November, I can see that there are records for the 1st and the 15th of November in 2012. This is very powerful to untick and tick those options that you do or don't want. But besides ticking and unticking what you do and don't want, there are very powerful date filters as well. These include today, tomorrow, yesterday, this week, last week, and certain months, quarters, and years. For example, if I want all those records for last year, I'll click last year. And 90 out of 270 records were found. If I then hit the clear button on my quick access toolbar, I will clear that filter.